Wow, it was close, Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back. And today I'm gonna tell you in details how a beginner with no huge knowledge and experience right after watching this video can earn their first money on binary options. I'll show you one simple and effective strategy, and I'm pretty sure that none of you have heard about this one. We'll try to make deposit at least 10-15 times bigger, and I'm really sure that each of you can repeat this result right after watching this video. So we get started, and we're trading on Pocket Option platform today. The link to Pocket is in the pinned comment below the video. We set candles as a chart type in the left upper corner, so you may have a linear chart originally as you've signed up, but what we need is a candles one. It's next to the currency pairs panel. Then we choose some clear down or up trend. So we see, for example, right here, the start of the trend and its end. The chart fell down and it's a downtrend. Then we choose such a tool as a Fibonacci correction, click it, and now we keep in mind what do we do. We originally set 1 in the beginning of the trend, so we take this line, which is marked as 1, and place it to the top of the trend. In this case, it's a downtrend, so its peak is at the top and its finish is at the bottom. And what's up here? Okay, levels are automatically drawn, support levels, resistance ones from which we can trade. Okay, this is the most complicated part of the strategy, so let's open the first deal and I'll explain you how does it work in practice. So guys, we open the first deal right here from resistance level, and I'll comment it. Look, we switched to an older time frame, so we fully cover the trend. We placed 1 in the beginning of the trend and 0 at the end. Those lines, these are intermediate ones, 236 and 382.05 are essential zones. For those who do not know, the chart always gets reversed from essential zones. Well, almost always, so there's a very high chance and we bet on that. Now we reach the upper border, which is a resistance, and it means the chart must roll back down. If it does, we click lower button and wait for 1 minute. Let's do that. So guys, we didn't have to wait a lot. The first deal is already closed on a profit, and let me remind you that you set the time of the deal in this right upper corner, and you change the time of the deal, which is 1 minute too, in the left upper corner. In this case, we worked out the signal, so let's look for the next currency pair, combine it with Fibonacci correction and trade on levels as well. So guys, we open the deal with higher here from support level now. The line that is below the chart is called support because it is literally supporting the chart from further fall. On 2-minute time frame, in other words, the candle is 2-minute 1. We draw our Fibonacci correction tool. Okay, and guys, we always need levels to match with the chart's rollbacks. So the bigger reaction we get from a particular level is, the more confident and reliable the level is. It's a simple rule. So here we see that previously we had reactions near the 786 level, so we switch to an actual chart and observe the reaction. Great guys, nothing hard. And the main thing to keep in mind is to determine the levels correctly. And our Fibonacci correction tool helps you with that, of course, the one I'm talking about today. Okay guys, we drew a new Fibonacci correction. This time it's a downtrend again, and we place 1 at the beginning of the trend and 0 at the end of the trend. Now the chart is near the 0 mark, the very lower support zone, and I hope we'll get a good reaction from it. So the deals with higher for $100. So as I've already said, this is the very lower support level. We see a great reactions with the chart in past. So we've got a pretty prognozable reaction once again, and we managed to earn on that. So guys, not a very standard case here, so let's analyze it more attentively. There's also Fibonacci correction tool. Okay, the start of the trend and its finish. But in this case, a breakthrough of the level is happening. And what does it mean? Each candle is being formed for 1 minute straight. And if the chart gets lower than our support zone and the candle remains fully formed, like, our red one, we see that the candle goes beyond our left border fully, beyond our support level. In other words, it means a breakthrough. And after a breakthrough, the chart usually starts moving much faster to this side. Okay, in this case, we broke through the support, broke through the lower level, so we open a deal after this breakthrough with lower. Here it is, and it's gonna be closed soon and bring us a profit. Yes, great, I think it's a very good representative example. The chart may keep decreasing, but what matters is that we work the signal out, so, but we're looking for the next confident case. The same case, guys. Okay, there's a support zone, we break it through, and this is why right now we'll keep moving down, I think. We open a deal with lower, and what's the result? So another profitable deal is over, and I think that the breakthrough of the level was demonstrated on this example really good, even twice, so now you made sure how it works. Keep it in mind, you can use those cases for a benefit and earn on them. Guys, the thing is, we break the chart through for the third time. Yes, even though this is another currency pair, we see a breakthrough is followed by the red candle form. And the candle is 1 minute one, which means that if after this big red candle we would open a deal with lower, then it would be closed in a profit. Yes, in this case I take some risk, which I do not recommend you to do, but I think the downtrend is gonna be continued, so I open another deal with lower after the red candle is formed. As for me, the main thing is knowing how to use the case. In this one, we saw a chance and took it, so I recommend all beginners to sponge the knowledge that I share in my videos. I give you only actual information, so be sure to watch it till the end and repeat after me. So here's an ordinary case. We break into resistance zone and see the level and see the charts already rolled back from it once and past, so this level was a support zone at least, and we do not know how many times this level was essential in past. Yes, so here it's a resistance, so we click lower button and wait for the deal to be closed. So guys, a breakthrough of the level is happening. It's important to see, so you don't think it's all just perfect. As I've already said, when a breakthrough of the level happens, we open a deal to the same direction the chart is moving to. We see right now it's an uptrend. A resistance level is broken through, so as soon as the green candle is formed and we made sure the level is overcame, we open a deal following a trend with higher and wait. So we got back as a part of balance we've lost with no problem, and it's gonna be recovered really soon, so we can open the last, I hope, profitable deal, which will let us to have balance overcame a $1,000 value. So a pretty good case is here. We see even two breakthrough of this level. So the first one we've already traded on, and the second one. Now the resistance level, which was earlier above the chart, is being broken through, and it means that maybe some uptrend will be short-term continued. I opened the deal now with higher for this reason, and we wait for the result. I hope you made sure it's pretty simple to earn money on binary options, but you need to know all the basic rules to do that. And I've told you about in the video above. Be sure to watch it till the end, and if you have some questions that you can message me directly in Telegram following the link in the pinned comment. And that's it for today. Today we managed to make deposit 13 times bigger with no problem. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.